box for November.
We have to wait like a week in between, but how was your guys' Halloween? Let us know. As you can see, my new fall nails. I'm in love with fall. If you can see those there. But
like there's the inside. Okay.
We're holding off for Christmas though. We're not playing Christmas music quite yet.
Two different, or the card and then
Natasha Denona, if I'm saying that right. There's that, 25% off. And BoxyCharm, it says Harvest. It's thinking of me and my nails. And then all the items she's gonna get. So that's what it has there. Don't mind my fluffy hair. It's really like just, yeah.
Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out, I think is Yensa. I might be saying that wrong. Pumpkin, turmeric, 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus Super Orange Essence.
It says with 8 orange skin-loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion.
Yeah, so depending on like what you have to do to use it, will be whether or not it goes in a giveaway or not.
Oh, it's like an exfoliating thing to resurface the skin.
Yeah, and I love exfoliator, but we'll have to see. Okay,
So.
and then I have Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser.
Ooh, a cleanser.
Deep Cleanse plus Smooth.
I love cleansers. It says cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact. So you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated.
That's always good.
And that was $28, just so you know.
And then this is Jekka Black, if I'm saying that right. Liquid Corrector 2.0.
Black, I don't know. Need the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. That's worth $15, it says. And then the Yancy Beauty was $45, by the way, for
this
full
is like
price.
a concealer. That's funny because I maybe own like one concealer.
I barely ever use like concealer.
No, I know,
but today I tried using
either
like the tape stuff or whatever it was, but it didn't seem like it did anything.
And then I have Milk Makeup's Kush Waterproof Mascara, which I know I have the full size of one of their mascaras.
This one says a waterproof. It's waterproof. Intense
That's
black mascara.
waterproof,
Sorry. Well, I'm just saying that's cool. That's waterproof. Intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. We're 24. Well, I was just gonna say, usually I don't like waterproof, but especially because you guys don't know that I've been having like dry eyes, so I've been using eye drops lately. Like it's good to have waterproof.
The one I
in
have
that case
currently is not waterproof.
But usually I don't like
good
waterproof,
to try this
so
one.
yeah.
And then the last thing, but these are good items, BoxyCharm. I'll give you a thumbs up. I think they're good so far. Is Natasha Denona's, if I'm saying it, Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. So I wonder if I can get this out safely. So it looks like that. And
features essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, if I'm saying that right, or Biba, Safari and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long.
Do you think they can see it just like that?
Yeah, probably.
So I don't even have to open it.
Some pretty colors on there.
Yeah, so we'll probably put that in a giveaway.
Or for our next giveaway, which I actually have a little...
We need to do that video soon because we're supposed to be drawing the name in not soon, but I mean...
It's coming up, guys.
So we can draw a name for Christmas
Be ready for it. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. We're so excited it came within a week's time. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.